Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw and deposit on DraftKings. Alright, so let's begin. So I'll tell you the first thing about DraftKings deposits and withdrawals. If you notice, there's no withdrawal button anywhere. I will show you where will you find it. But now first, so if you go to deposit, you can make a deposit. Click deposit after you log into your account and you'll see the different ways to add funds. There's a drop down with all the deposit methods that I've added already, and it gives my current deposit maximum currently $20,000 with a minimum of $5. So I can deposit up to $20,000 or a minimum of $5. Select your USD amount, select payment type, and there are all these different ways. I've used debit card and PayPal before. I haven't used VIP Preferred or all these other ones, but Venmo is also an option. The drop-down will have your actual accounts that you have added already. So that's how you deposit. Now for withdraw your funds, go back to your home screen and hover your cursor over your account tab and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, just click account information. And if you click account information, you'll see all the way down at the bottom, there's a button that says withdraw. So then you want to click withdraw, and now you have to select from which account you want to withdraw. I will select Sportsbook and Casino, and then it'll take you to the next screen. You put in the amount to withdraw, hit continue, and then it'll go to the next screen where it asks you for the withdraw method. You withdraw using the same method that you've used before, and that's how easy it is to withdraw. So that's basically how you can withdraw and deposit on DraftKings. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.